Dear friends, good evening. Some people have called me with some good appreciation and told, Sir, your lectures are very good, questions are also very good, and notes is excellent. But sir, lecture is long. 30 मिनट ज़्यादा हो जा रहा है. या आई कैन अप्रिशिएट. हम तो बुढ़े लोग हैं, 30 नहीं तो 40 मिनट भी सुन सकते. बट आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड यू यंगस्टर्स. सो लेट मी रिलीज them in parts. But it will take time. I'm sorry, I cannot do anything. So, I also felt listening to 30 minutes is longer. Now, there are two things. One is we will be limiting it to at most 10-15 minutes. Worst case 16th minute or 17th. Secondly, like you read A for apple, B for book, you can remember M for Monday. Monday is for main legislation. एक दिन छोड़ दीजिए. W for Wednesday, W for winning and working. On Wednesdays we will release winning and working. Mondays is mine management and legislation. And on Friday, after Wednesday, Friday, one legislation and one winning and working. Two papers we will release. Everything will be for 15 minutes. And I request you to remember this and accordingly. And until now, एक 5 मिनट पहले भी एक आए हैं, कोई एक श्री निखिल घुटके जी, उनका भी नंबर ऐड कर दिया. सो अंटिल हियर आई हैव एडेड. टुमारो मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू विल गेट इट. फ्रेंड्स, सेक्शन 17 सुनने के लिए और देखने के लिए बहुत छोटा रहता, बट सबसे गंभीर सेक्शन वही है. और रेगुलेशंस में डस्ट एंड वेंटिलेशन तो ही है. In this section 17, what it says, you need to appoint a manager. Manager, you know, the examinations what you are giving is for mines manager. So section 17. Section 17 के संबंधित, why actually these lessons are gaining importance is, I am not simply discussing section 17 and reading it. You also can read it like a Bible or Bhagavad Gita or Quran. But we have to explain you the related topics. The related topics are the duties and responsibilities of manager and standard of appointment of manager, in what condition you need to appoint. This lecture is for around half an hour, so today's part 1 will be for 15 minutes. Part 2 will come on again Friday. Important points I have given. Owner and agent, one of them can appoint the mines manager. Point number 1. Naturally, with a senior आदमी. Then, if owner or agent have a required qualification, they can appoint themselves as mines manager. ये तो बहुत कम कंडीशन में होता है. जैसा हमारे पास एक प्रताप राव साहब है, एम प्रताप राव साहब, वो खुद फर्स्ट क्लास मैनेजर है. कुछ दिन मैं काम किया, जब भाग गया था मैं, वो खुद मैनेजर घोषण कर लिया. So it can be done, but they should have the requisite qualification. Okay. And very important points I have given. Remember, in all these points some bits will come. Basic instructions are to be given by mines manager only. Owner साहब आके अचानक बोल नहीं सकता, अरे यार तुम इधर चले जाओ ना आज. No, it is a mines manager who has to give. Only under emergency. Only unless in emergency. Unless it is, इसका मतलब है unless. जब इमरजेंसी होता है, ऐसा कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है आप माइंस मैनेजर के लिए ढूंढते रह जाओगे. यू नीड नॉट सर्च फॉर माइंस मैनेजर. यू नीड नॉट स्टैंड इन ए लाइन एंड से सर सर अब माइंस मैनेजर आएगा बाद में बताएगा, तब तक जलने दो. नो, अंडर दैट कंडीशन ओनर और एजेंट आल्सो कैन गिव इंस्ट्रक्शन. सो दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिमेंबर. इट इज अ माइंस मैनेजर, बट इन इमरजेंसी दे शुड. Mines manager is not responsible for canteen, crich and pithead baths. Means, please remember, for their operation, maintenance and accounting, for that he is not responsible. अब उधर कुछ छोटा मोटा एक्सीडेंट हो गया तो इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल. हो बोल नहीं सकते साहब, जो मरने से मरने दो, हमको क्या करना. डीजीएम इंस्पेक्टर साहब तो बोल चुके हैं कैंटीन में कदम नहीं रखना. नो, दैट इज नॉट द क्वेश्चन. यू शुड, or you are not responsible for its operation and maintenance. Okay. Now, Remember, this video is common for both coal and metal. Even regulations are common for coal, both coal and metal. Number तो कुछ अलग है, but only in one place there is a difference. Like in metal, it will be calculated the requirement of manager in terms of the production and the persons appointed. जहाँ की in coal it is purely on monthly production. Please remember, in coal the qualification of manager required is purely on monthly production, whereas in metal it is monthly production come the number of persons. Now, paid by owner or agent, that is important. Why? आप उस आदमी को इज्जत देंगे जो आपको तनख्वाह देता है भाई. टुमारो व्हाट इफ मैनेजर से सर आप तो हमको तनख्वाह तो हमको नहीं दे रहा है, उनको भेजिए जो हमको पैसा दे रहा है. Anyway, मैनेजर साहब तो आप लोग नहीं बोलेंगे, यू आर ऑल गुड मैनेजर्स, बट ही शुड बी पेड बाय ओनर और एजेंट. नाउ एज पर एमएमआर के मुताबिक मोर देन 150 अंडरग्राउंड में, एमएमआर मेटल में भी अंडरग्राउंड हो सकता, मोर देन 150 अंडरग्राउंड और 400 इन ऑल. 400 इन ऑल मतलब कभी हो सकता अंडरग्राउंड में 100 लोग हैं, ऊपर आपका मेंटेनेंस में, स्क्रीनिंग प्लांट में और सम अदर एलाइड सर्विसेज, डंप यार्ड, कन्वेयर्स, ऊपर में 300 लोग हैं समझ लीजिए, 400 लोग. यू कैनॉट से सर मेरे पास अंडरग्राउंड में है ओनली 100, सो दिस इज फर्स्ट क्लास मैनेजर इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. नो, नॉट लाइक दैट. यू हैव टू टेक इवन द टोटल. सो if it is more than 150 people working in underground or total मिला के 400 in all, in underground, open cast, canteen, painting, आपका mechanical shed, इधर उधर everything total coming under mines manager, then or अभी production में आ गया. पहले क्या आ गया? It is a number of persons working underground. Please remember this is for MMR and total number of persons and production. If it is 1250 tons per month, okay, I'm sorry I didn't give in month, that is per month, then you should have a first class manager. 75 to 150 persons, then 50 to 400 in overall, 150 to 400, sorry, that is not 50, gentlemen, please correct it, it is 150 in all. First or second class manager 625 to 1250 tons. इसमें आप कंफ्यूज नहीं होना, पहले बोल दिया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ही टोल्ड इफ इट इज ओनली अंडरग्राउंड 75 to 150. इन दिस केस more than 150, okay, it is 75 to 150. If you count the total mine, it is 400 here, it is 150 to 400, okay. You see this 150, it comes here. Then in that case it can be either first or second class. In case you go on production, it is 625 to 1250. Why this in case comes? The reason is like this. You are underground, you may be having only 60 people. Let us say I am arguing 60 people. And above ground you have got pura mila ke another 40 people. Okay, beautiful mine with big production, lot of machinery, very big loader. You purchased a very big loader and you have only 60 people underground. ऊपर मिला के अंदर 40, पूरा मिला के 100. So in both the cases you can appoint second class. No, you can appoint, you need not even have a first class. Even production is between 625 to 1250. Okay. Now why production is given? If you say sir my people are less here and total also is only 100, I will not appoint any second class. I will have only one overman or foreman. No, that is not acceptable. Here now the production figure comes. So DGMS साहब हर एक डायरेक्शन से टाइट करके रख दिया. वो जानता है आप लोग बहुत ज्ञानी है. You know you are all very intelligent. So from all directions, basically क्या है? This is for safety. When the production is more, obviously you are using larger machines. So under such conditions, you have to have this. In other cases, a person authorized under sub regulation 6 of regulation 29. What is sub regulation 6? Sub-regulation 6 of regulation 29 says, if first or second class people are not available or due to some reason they will go away, छुट्टी बुट्टी कहीं चले गया, the owner or agent can appoint an authorized person with the permission of the DGMS. बाकी केसेस में मतलब जिसमें अंडरग्राउंड अगर चलता है तो लेस देन 75 है, ओवरऑल देखा गया तो लेस देन 150 है, प्रोडक्शन लिया गया तो 625 से भी कम है. मीन्स इन अंडरग्राउंड देर आर ओनली 50 पीपल, ओवरऑल इज ओनली 100, then production is also only 500. In such cases you can go away with the other man. Friends, this is the case of CMR. In coal mining regulations, it is purely on 2500 tons first class per month, whether it is underground or open cast, not exceeding 2500 first or second class. For open cast mine, if it is 20,000 cubic meters per month first class, within 20,000 cubic meters per month first or second class. Please remember, for open cast it is purely on excavation, because in some cases like manganese you take, there will be a small vein. OB will be in tens of thousands, 20,000, 30,000. Manganese production will be only 200 tons. Can you go by the tonnage? No. Never. Hello? Correct? You cannot. So, for such cases, OCM handling, open cast mine for handling 20,000 tons, that is over total excavation. Please remember. Okay. In the same manner, for open cast also, we have a similar standard, and we are going to continue part 2. Maybe on Friday we are releasing part 2, continuation of manager. Please read well. The question paper that I am giving along with this is only up to here. Okay, don't worry about that. Only up to here. But the notes is full. What I am giving for coal, metal, both notes it is, I think, different. Yes, it is different. But don't be afraid. Coal people can keep that coal notes and delete metal, and metal people can keep metal and delete coal. Bits are also a little different, maybe 1 or 2 bits. So metal people please solve metal bits, coal people please solve coal bits, and students and gate, you solve both. All are common bits, maybe 1 or 2 bits are here and there. They are ticklish a little, थोड़ा brain थोड़ा ज़्यादा सोचना पड़ता है, 2-4 बिट आप उसको काम करिए. ओके. And once again, Mondays mine legislation, Wednesdays winning and working, Fridays is one legislation and one winning and working. I request all of you busy people working in mines. मैं तो बुढ़ा हूँ, मैं तो काम भी नहीं कर रहा, इसलिए पूरा बक रहा हूँ बैठ के इधर. But you people please make some time, legislation people Monday, winning and working people on Wednesday, and Friday possibly for both. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.